Hello. Welcome to Listen to English AR. 1. Listen to the story without translation. 2. Listen to the story again with the translation turned on. 3. Answer some questions. Adam is 30 years old and he has a new apartment. It is small but very modern and Adam loves it. Adam works as a graphic designer and his job is in a big city. He moved here last month, far away from his family.
This is my first apartment. It's not very big, but it's perfect for me.
Adam says, the apartment has everything Adam needs. The living room has a nice sofa, a wooden coffee table, an armchair, a rug, and some plants. Adam likes to sit on the sofa after work, drink coffee, and read books. The kitchen is new. It has a fridge, a stove, and a sink. On the counter, Adam keeps a bowl of fruit, apples, bananas, and oranges. He enjoys cooking pasta or soup after a busy day at work. Adam's bedroom is simple and cozy. It has a comfortable bed with a white blanket, a desk where he sometimes works on his laptop, and a small table with a lamp and a clock. Adam also has a closet for his clothes. He says,
I sleep very well here, even though I miss my family sometimes.
The apartment also has a small balcony. Adam likes to sit there in the morning, drink tea, and look at the city. He says,
This apartment helps me feel independent. I'm proud of myself.
Don't forget to rewatch the video with subtitles turned on to improve your understanding and language skills.
Now, we will listen to 3 simple questions to check your understanding of the story, and then we will review some vocabulary. Try to answer these questions in the comments.
1. How old is Adam? 2. What is Adam's job? 3. Why did Adam move to a new city? Apartment, apartment, living room, living room, sofa, sofa, coffee table, coffee table, wood, wood, wooden, wooden, chair, chair, armchair, armchair, rug, rug, plants, plants, kitchen, kitchen, fridge, fridge, stove, stove, sink, sink, encounter, encounter, bowl, bowl, bedroom, bedroom, bed, bed, blanket, blanket, table, table, lamp, lamp, clock, clock, closet, closet, clothes, clothes, balcony, balcony, modern, modern, cozy, cozy, perfect, perfect, comfortable, comfortable, graphic designer, graphic designer, work, work, move, move, city, city, last, last, far away, far away, very well, independent, independent, proud, proud, everything, everything, even though, sleep, sleep, sit, sit, miss, miss, help, help, look, look, read, read, cook, cook, Guess the word. Great job, everyone! You've learned some useful vocabulary today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.